Have you ever wondered how fermented pickles get their unique, tangy flavor? Today we're diving deep into the science of fermentation using saltwater brine to preserve cucumbers and other vegetables. Fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms, like lactic acid bacteria, break down sugars into acids, gases, or alcohol. In the context of pickles, fermentation typically involves using saltwater brine to create an environment that promotes beneficial bacterial growth. The process begins by submerging cucumbers in a brine solution typically made of salt and water. The concentration is usually around 3 to 4% salt to inhibit harmful bacteria while allowing beneficial lactic acid bacteria to thrive. As the lactic acid bacteria convert natural sugars into lactic acid, this process not only preserves the cucumbers but also gives them a characteristic sour flavor. This fermentation can last anywhere from several days to weeks. The result is not just flavorful pickles, but also a probiotic-rich product that can offer health benefits. Similar to sauerkraut and kimchi, fermented pickles can contribute beneficial bacteria to your gut microbiome. Beyond cucumbers, a basic brine formula can be used for fermenting various vegetables, including carrots, green beans, and even fruits like pineapple. This versatility makes fermentation an exciting method of preserving food while enhancing its flavor. So there you have it, the intricate process behind fermented pickles and their brine. Not only do they taste delicious, but they also offer health benefits through probiotics, making them a perfect blend of science and culinary artistry. What's your favorite way to use fermented pickles? Have you tried fermenting other vegetables at home? Let me know in the comments.